Welcome to this presentation on APM Project Progress Review. This dashboard allows us to check through the completion, the measure of completion versus what was expected by comparing the estimated production hours to the actual production hours, calculating from that a current performance index, reviewing remaining hours, calculating out estimate to complete, estimate at completion, and variance at completion. Across operations within a particular stage of a project, reported versus expected, projected estimates, actual versus estimate. So let's filter up one of our projects. Sorting by phase, so I can see if I'm looking at this particular design phase, I've got multiple operations, multiple activities, estimated hours, actual hours, percentage complete as reported, expected complete, current performance index, the remaining hours, the extrapolated estimate to complete, the estimate at completion, and the variance at completion. These times are simply taken from estimates against the job, so each of those operations or activities. Now you'll see here that I've indicated that quantity per parent is 100 to indicate 100%. And that I believe it's 0.5 of an hour per percentage, giving me a total operation duration of 50 hours. This allows me to do progress completion against a project job. Time does not necessarily always equate to progress. Thank you.